Bear spray. When you're out in bear country, the last thing you want is to take risks with your safety. That's why UDAP bear spray exists. It was actually created by someone who survived a grizzly bear attack and wanted to make sure others wouldn't face the same fate. For just $48, you get a powerful 225-gram canister designed to stop even the most determined bear in its tracks. Instead of a thin stream that's hard to aim under stress, this spray shoots a wide cone up to 9 meters. That means it creates a big cloud of capsaicin that covers the bear's face, making it impossible for the animal to push through. The formula is oil-based, so it lingers in the air like a fog, creating an extra barrier between you and danger. The canister itself is tough too, double-walled aluminum built to survive drops, falls, and even panic handling. With UDAP bear spray, you gain peace of mind and a real chance to walk away safely. Extractor pump. Snake bites and venomous stings can turn a calm trip outdoors into a life-threatening emergency in seconds. That's where the Sawyer extractor pump comes in. It gives you precious extra time to get medical help. Forget the old myth of sucking venom out with your mouth. This tool is far more effective and safe. Using a 2-chamber vacuum system, it can pull venom from under the skin before it spreads deeper into the bloodstream. The kit comes with 4 different tips designed to fit anything from a bee sting to a snake bite. All you have to do is press the right tip onto the bite, work the pump with one hand, and it immediately starts drawing venom out. The best part? It's reusable. Just wash the tips with plain water, and the pump is ready again. At just $20, it's a simple, lightweight tool that could make all the difference in a survival situation. It's not a cure, but it buys you life-saving minutes. CVA Scout TD Compact. The CVA Scout TD Compact proves that sometimes the simplest rifles are the most dependable. At first glance, it's a single-shot break-action rifle, but every detail is designed with care and precision. The break-action mechanism works with buttery smoothness, making it easy to load and operate even for beginners. Its precision-machined barrel feels like it was crafted with the attention of a Swiss watchmaker, ensuring accuracy round after round. Chambered in the popular .350 Legend caliber, it offers a great balance of performance. Recoil is surprisingly light, making it comfortable to shoot, while still packing enough stopping power to rival larger hunting rounds. The rifle comes ready with a Jur sight scope railbase already installed, so adding optics is a breeze. At the range, its 1.2 kilograms trigger pull breaks cleanly and predictably, giving shooters confidence with every shot. Even after firing hundreds of rounds, the barrel resists copper buildup, showing its durability. Compact, lightweight, and accurate, the Scout TD Compact is perfect for hunters who value reliability without complication. Beretta 92X Performance. The Beretta 92X Performance takes one of the most iconic service pistols ever made and transforms it into a high-performance competition firearm. Unlike the standard 92, this version comes with a full steel frame instead of aluminum, adding extra weight that tames recoil to a soft, manageable push. For competitive shooters, this means faster follow-up shots and steadier aim. The trigger is tuned for performance too, breaking at just 1.7 kilograms in single action, allowing incredibly quick and accurate firing with minimal finger pressure. Its slim Vertec frame design makes it comfortable even for smaller hands, while still maintaining Beretta's legendary ergonomics. Reliability is outstanding. Tests have shown thousands of rounds fired with only a couple of malfunctions, proving it's built for heavy use. The finish gives it an elegant shine, though it does require a bit more care in humid climates. With its rotating block locking system, feeding is smooth and jam-free. The 92X Performance is Italian design and engineering at its finest, made for shooters who demand speed, accuracy, and style. Stoeger XM1 Bullpup. The Stoeger XM1 Bullpup is a pneumatic rifle that stands out both for its futuristic design and impressive performance. Winning a prestigious Red Dot Award for design, it's as much a piece of art as it is a hunting tool. Its bullpup layout keeps the rifle compact while still giving it the accuracy of a full-length barrel, making it perfectly balanced and easy to maneuver. Inspired by supercar ergonomics, every curve and surface feels engineered to fit naturally in the shooter's hands. The XM1 features a modular multi-grip system, allowing you to swap grips and cheek pieces for a custom fit. Its built-in regulator ensures that every shot has the same level of power and accuracy, something hunters value when consistency matters most. Light, compact, and quiet, It's great for stalking through dense forests or taking precise shots in tighter spaces. More than just a pretty face, the XM1 Bullpup proves that innovation and performance can go hand in hand. Mountain D2 Kukri. If you're looking for a knife that feels powerful and reliable, the Mountain D2 Kukri is a tough choice to beat. Its curved blade is designed to focus all its force right into the spot you strike, making every swing more effective. Made from high-quality D2 steel, it has a hardness rating of 58 HRC, which means the edge stays razor-sharp for months, even if you're constantly using it outdoors. That's a big plus because you won't need to carry around a sharpener on every trip. The blade itself is 21 centimeters long, with an overall length of 35 centimeters, giving you plenty of cutting power while still being compact enough to carry. Despite its size, it weighs just over half a kilo, so it won't weigh you down. The rubberized handle is built for comfort, fitting naturally into your hand even after hours of heavy use. All this strength and durability comes at just $80, making it a great tool for campers, hikers, and outdoor adventurers. Gil Hibben Expendables 2 Bowie. This knife isn't just a tool, it's a collector's dream. Designed by legendary knife maker Gil Hibben, the Expendables 2 Bowie was originally created for the blockbuster movie The Expendables 2. Its design captures that same rugged, cinematic energy. The blade is crafted from polished 3CR13 stainless steel, giving it a mirror-like shine while also being strong enough for serious use. Measuring 35 centimeters in total length, it commands attention whether it's in your hand or on display. The ivory-colored handle adds a classy touch, while the gold-plated guard makes it stand out as a true showpiece. Every detail screams craftsmanship and style. To top it off, it comes with a leather sheath stamped with the Expendables logo, making it even more appealing for collectors and fans of the film. Priced at $218, this knife is more than just steel. It's a piece of movie history and a tribute to fine blade making. Knee guard. Anyone who spends hours working on the ground knows how rough it can be on the knees. That's where the no-cry professional knee pads come in to save the day. Priced at just $28, these pads offer a mix of comfort, durability, and real protection. They use a dual-layer system that combines soft gel and EVA foam. The gel molds to the shape of your knee for comfort, while the foam absorbs shock from rocks, concrete, or other hard surfaces. The outer TPR cap grips surfaces firmly, almost like a suction cup, while also protecting your knees from sharp objects. Built with reinforced straps and military-grade rivets, these pads stay locked in place all day without slipping or loosening. The 600D breathable mesh material prevents overheating, so you stay comfortable even during long jobs. For workers, gardeners, or DIY builders, these knee pads deliver reliable protection at an unbeatable price. Provoke X. The CRKT Provoke X completely redefines what you think a compact axe should be. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, pocket-sized tool, folding down to about the size of a smartphone. But with one flick of your wrist, its patented kinematic design transforms it into a full-sized axe, ready for heavy-duty action. Built from tough D2 steel and finished with a titanium nitride coating, this axe is designed to last through anything, from camping trips to survival situations. The locking system is equally impressive. A deadbolt mechanism secures both the blade and the spike, ensuring total safety while in use. And when you close it, an automatic safety feature kicks in to prevent accidents. Every detail has been carefully engineered for performance, portability, and reliability. With a price of $350, the Provoke X is not just a tool but a futuristic piece of gear for people who demand strength and innovation in one compact design. JV Survival Card. Imagine carrying a whole survival kit inside your wallet. That's exactly what the JV Survival Card offers. Designed by Joe Vogel, a survival expert who's lived through extreme conditions from the Amazon to the Arctic, this credit card-sized tool packs everything you need to fish, hunt, and craft in the wild. Made from durable German stainless steel, it weighs just 60 grams but holds an incredible amount of utility. Snap out 5 different fishing hooks, 6 spear tips, and saw blades whenever you need them. You can also use its parts to build tools like a harpoon, trident, or even an ancient spear thrower, ATL, that boosts your hunting range. It even has a double hook snare for trapping small animals, plus a sharp blade for cutting and processing game. The chisel lets you make holes for lashings to build shelters or weapons. For only $27, this tiny card could keep you alive for weeks, proof that big survival power really can come in a small package. Bird net trap. Sometimes survival means knowing how to catch food in the simplest, most effective way. The Luchok D32 bird net trap is designed exactly for that, but it's also humane enough for research and study. Built with two sturdy metal half hoops and a spring mechanism, it snaps shut to cover a small bird with a nylon net. No harm is done. The bird is simply caught inside a soft pouch. The trap is perfectly sized for songbirds like sparrows, thrushes, or jays, with a 32 cm width and 20 cm height. The 1 by 1 cm netting ensures even the smallest birds can't escape. Setting it up is easy. Push the included stakes into the ground, hook everything in place, scatter a little bait, and wait. At only 250 grams, it's lightweight and rolls up compactly in your pack. For $25, it's a practical old-school tool that could mean the difference between going hungry or catching a much-needed meal in the wild. Beretta 688 Performance Trap As. The Beretta 688 Performance Trap As is what happens when Italian craftsmanship meets world-class shooting performance. This double-barreled shotgun looks traditional, but under the surface, it's packed with modern engineering. The laminated wood stock not only looks beautiful but is resistant to warping or cracking from heat and moisture, something hunters and trap shooters will appreciate. The B-Fast adjustment system is like fine-tuning a race car. You can change the stock's height, angle, and length in minutes to fit your exact shooting style. The barrels are a work of art in themselves, built from triple alloy steel using advanced forging and vacuum processes for maximum strength and consistency. Even the receiver was given a slight weight increase, carefully calculated to provide flawless balance when shouldered. At the range, this shotgun groups tighter than you'd expect, making every shot feel sharp and precise. Umarex Air Javelin Fisher. The Umarex Air Javelin Fisher is a unique twist on bowfishing, replacing traditional strings and pulleys with the power of compressed air. This clever air-powered launcher can fire specially designed arrows at speeds up to 30 meters per second, each carrying impressive energy for a clean shot. Unlike regular bows, there's no string to draw back. The 300-bar air tank takes care of the power. A built-in regulator ensures every arrow is launched at a consistent pressure of 54 bars, so accuracy remains steady shot after shot. Each arrow is tipped with an interlock pro point, which locks firmly into the fish once it hits, preventing it from slipping away. On a single tank fill, you can expect around 65 powerful shots, making it more than capable of handling a full day on the water. The design also includes a universal reel mount, meaning you can use whatever reel setup you prefer, whether bottle style or wide mouth. Compact, reliable, and fun, the Air Javelin Fisher brings modern innovation to an ancient sport. Smith & Wesson 940 9mm Revolver. The legendary Smith & Wesson Model 940 makes a return, this time chambered in the popular 9mm caliber. Built entirely from stainless steel, this revolver is as tough as it looks. Weighing 665 grams, it's solid in hand but still manageable for everyday carry. Its short 5.5 centimeters barrel makes it highly concealable, while its enclosed hammer design ensures a snag-free draw from clothing. The grips are made by VZ and offer excellent traction, locking the revolver securely in your hand for confident shooting. One of the standout features is its use of moon clips, which make reloading incredibly fast. Spent cases eject all at once, and fresh rounds drop in together. The tritium front sight glows in the dark without batteries, giving you clear aiming even in low light. Barrel flutes reduce weight and help with cooling, allowing extended practice sessions. Classic, compact, and practical, the Smith & Wesson 940 brings revolver reliability to modern 9mm performance.